Do these 8 exercises if you are over 40, 50, or again, 60 years old. Reaching your 40s, 50s, or 60s doesn't have to mean slowing down. On the contrary, this is the perfect time to revitalize your body and reclaim your inner strength. With the right approach, you can regain vitality and discover abilities many believe are lost. In this guide, we present 8 essential exercises that will transform your physical and functional health by strengthening muscles, improving posture, and enhancing mobility. And there's more. The 6th exercise is a true game changer for your well-being. At the end, you'll also find a valuable bonus to complement your routine, helping you achieve more energy and strength. Ready to get started? The first exercise may seem simple, but is incredibly effective. Triceps dips, which provide exceptional strength-building benefits for the upper body. If you're looking for an efficient movement to strengthen your upper body, triceps dips are an unbeatable choice. This exercise, though simple, powerfully activates the triceps, chest, and shoulders, making it a must-have in any training routine. It's also a practical option. All you need is a sturdy chair or bench, which makes it accessible even for those who prefer to work out at home. As you perform the movement, lowering and lifting your body with control, you'll not only feel your muscles working, but also experience a sense of accomplishment as you take care of your health and strength. Moreover, this exercise promotes a mind-body connection that's essential, especially for those looking to maintain vitality and agility after 40. Focusing on proper execution and breathing strengthens not just your muscles, but also your mental discipline. Over time, improvements in strength become evident in daily tasks, such as lifting objects or pushing a heavy door, which become much easier. After the triceps dips, we move on to an exercise that combines relief and strength. Hanging from a pull-up bar, a simple movement that offers incredible benefits. Push-ups, renowned for their effectiveness, are one of the most comprehensive exercises for strengthening the upper body. Practicing them intensely works the chest, triceps, and deltoids while significantly engaging the core. For those over 40, push-ups are a safe and adaptable choice for increasing muscle strength. This iconic exercise can be tailored to various fitness levels. Start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups, and as you gain confidence and strength, progress to more challenging versions. The benefits extend beyond muscle building. Studies show that push-ups also contribute to cardiovascular health, making them a well-rounded option for any exercise routine. With consistent practice, you'll notice firmer arms, a more defined chest, and improved posture. Combined with the strength gained from triceps dips, push-ups create a solid foundation for tackling other physical challenges, such as the next exercise, which focuses on the lower body, squats. If you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more people. Squats are a true cornerstone for strengthening the lower body, targeting the thighs, glutes, and even the core in an integrated way. More than just a simple movement, they represent a crucial step in maintaining independence for daily activities, such as sitting down and standing up with ease, actions we often take for granted until they become difficult. For individuals over 40 or 50, squats are a powerful ally. They help stabilize the joints and protect the knees and hips by strengthening the surrounding musculature. This reinforcement reduces the risk of injury and enhances overall functionality, ensuring smoother movement in everyday life. One of the greatest advantages of squats is their versatility. You can start by using a chair as support to ensure balance and confidence, gradually progressing to freestanding squats as you feel more comfortable. As your body becomes stronger, you'll notice improvements in tasks such as walking, climbing stairs, or even carrying groceries, which will feel significantly less strenuous. Beyond their functional benefits, squats also have a direct impact on posture. By engaging the core and lower back muscles, they promote a better alignment of the torso, reducing tension on the spine. Strengthening the lower body also helps create a solid foundation for more advanced exercises and overall physical performance. As you incorporate squats into your routine, you'll experience a noticeable transformation in your mobility and endurance. This fundamental exercise builds not only physical strength, but also confidence, empowering you to tackle the challenges of an active lifestyle. The plank might seem like a basic exercise at first glance, but once you start practicing it, you'll feel every muscle in your body working intensely to hold the position. This is an incredibly effective movement as it simultaneously strengthens the core, glutes, and even the quadriceps, creating a solid and stable foundation for your body. In addition, regular plank practice directly contributes to improving posture and increasing spinal stability, making it essential for anyone looking to improve their quality of life after 40 or 50. The best part about the plank is that it requires only your body weight, making it an accessible and practical exercise for everyone. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your posture, movements, and even a reduction in lower back discomfort. Besides strengthening your core, the plank prepares your body to tackle more challenging exercises, such as push-ups, and this transition is not only logical, but also beneficial for expanding your strength and stability gains. Hanging from a pull-up bar may seem like a simple movement, but its impact on the body is profound and revitalizing. Especially for those over 40, this practice provides essential benefits, such as strengthening the back and arm muscles while significantly improving joint mobility. Suspending your body and allowing gravity to act naturally helps decompress the spine, reducing accumulated tension and promoting a feeling of lightness that is truly rejuvenating. The beauty of this exercise lies in its accessibility. Whether in parks, gyms, or with a pull-up bar installed at home, it can be easily integrated into your routine. For those with a core already strengthened by exercises like planks, push-ups, and squats, hanging from a pull-up bar represents a welcome new challenge. Additionally, this practice helps prevent injuries and improves posture, creating a more balanced and functional body. After enjoying the benefits of this moment of relief and strengthening, it's time to increase the intensity with an exercise that combines strength, endurance, and explosiveness: the burpee. The burpee is undoubtedly one of the most complete and challenging exercises, but also one of the most rewarding. It combines muscle endurance, strength, and cardiovascular conditioning in a single fluid motion, starting in a standing position, transitioning to a plank, and ending with a jump. Each repetition delivers an explosion of energy and intense work for the core, arms, and legs, making it an ideal choice for those looking to burn fat quickly and increase physical endurance. For individuals in their 40s or 50s, the burpee is a powerful tool for revitalizing the body and metabolism. The greatest advantage of the burpee is its versatility. Beginners can start with a modified version, skipping the jump or the full descent, and gradually progress to the full execution as strength and confidence grow. Incorporating it into your daily routine not only improves physical capacity, but also instills a unique sense of accomplishment. After each set, your body feels stronger, more agile, and ready to tackle daily challenges. Running in place is an exercise that may appear simple, but it is remarkably effective for improving cardiovascular health and keeping the body moving. Especially for those over 40, this practice offers a practical way to boost physical endurance without the need for equipment or large spaces. Imagine turning on your favorite music and moving to the beat, feeling your body warm up and your energy flow. In addition to being accessible, running in place helps strengthen the legs and core, complementing the work of previous exercises like burpees and squats. The charm of this exercise lies in its flexibility. You can adjust the intensity, alternating between a light jog and more vigorous movements, such as high knees or butt kicks, to activate different muscle groups. This variation makes the practice more dynamic and enjoyable, while enhancing benefits for the heart and lungs. Another advantage is the release of endorphins, providing that sense of well-being and vitality that brightens your day. After energizing your body with running in place, it's time to focus on strength and balance with the next exercise: lunges. Lunges are a powerful exercise for strengthening the legs, glutes, and stabilizing muscles, while simultaneously improving balance and coordination. This movement, which involves stepping forward and lowering the body in a controlled manner, is perfect for correcting muscle imbalances and increasing body awareness, particularly important for people over 40. Additionally, lunges help protect joints by strengthening the structures that support the knees and hips, making them indispensable in any workout routine. One of the best aspects of lunges is their versatility. They can be performed almost anywhere and without equipment. For those seeking a greater challenge, weights can be added to the hands, or variations like lateral lunges can be introduced. During execution, focusing on alignment and controlled movement also contributes to overall posture improvement. As your body gains strength and stability through lunges, you'll find that simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs become easier and more enjoyable. After working your body intensively, it's time to relax and renew with a special bonus: yoga. Yoga goes beyond simple physical exercise. It's a true invitation to align body, mind, and spirit, promoting balance, strength, and flexibility. For those over 40, yoga offers benefits that range from muscle strengthening to mental health improvement. Each posture, or asana, works different parts of the body, helping to stretch and strengthen muscles while reducing accumulated tension. Imagine yourself in a lotus position or downward-facing dog, feeling your deep breaths calm your mind and revitalize your body. Yoga not only increases flexibility and improves stability, but also teaches breathing techniques that help manage stress and anxiety. Additionally, certain poses, like the tree pose, are especially effective in working on balance, a crucial element for maintaining functionality at any age. Regular practice also aids in muscle recovery after more intense exercises, protects joints, and prevents injuries. Incorporating yoga into your workout routine is like giving your body and mind a revitalizing break, elevating your overall well-being in a holistic way. With these 8 exercises and the bonus of yoga, you have a true arsenal at your disposal to transform your health and quality of life. Each movement is designed to strengthen your body, improve mobility, and renew your energy, creating a routine that respects your needs while maximizing results. So, which one will be your biggest challenge? Choose where to start and embark on this journey to feel stronger, more agile, and renewed. If you liked this video, you'll also enjoy this one that's appearing on your screen now. I'll see you there.